Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia. I look crazy because it's wash day and I am in desperate need of washing my hair, so I'm going to jump right into it. Last video, which you can view here, was all about my first experience with Curlbox, but it wasn't really a risky experience though, in that I didn't know what I was getting. I was getting Soultanicals. I didn't know which products by Soultanicals I was getting, but I knew that it's this brand that I am a ride or die with. So I got my very first ever curl box. And here's my curl box. But rather than jump in and do a video featuring all the products, I'm going to trickle this out little by little and leave you guys waiting. Why not? So today I'm jumping in with a Heat Sage Love Ayurvedic hot oil treatment. Now, I thought that I would be coming in with this last in my routine because I read the pamphlet that comes with the curl box and it said to use this after you have washed and deep conditioned your hair. But then when you read the bottle itself, it seems to have more flexibility as to how you use it. You can actually also put it in your shampoos. You could put it in your deep conditioners to enhance their effects, or you can just use as a hot oil treatment and leave it in for 30 minutes. But it doesn't really say, oh, you have to do it after you shampoo and deep condition your hair. So I usually do my hot oil treatments as a pre-poo. So that's just what I'm going to do today. It's funny, I'll do my pre-poos on dry hair, but my hot oil treatments on wet hair. So a lot of people will warm up the oil first, or that you can also just rub it in your hands and warm it up. I don't really do that because I'm going to apply it on wet hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my Hothead by Thermal Hair Care. It's a heat cap, and use the heat in the heat cap to really push this into my strands, and I think that works fine enough, at least for me. Very light herbal scent. It has neem, black seed oil, and sage. I can definitely smell the sage in the oil. Feels really smooth, but also not like, it's not a light oil, like medium density. It feels nice. It has a nice body to it. I'm just gonna keep applying until it's all over my hair. I love the scent. The more I apply, of course, the stronger it is. Oh, I feel like I even want to massage it onto my scalp. It feels so good. I really, really, really enjoy the scent. I have a lot of shedding just because it had been a while since I had washed my hair, and I really, really need to wash my hair. It glides on very well, very easily. But then again, honestly, my hair has so much Soultanicals in it, and I refresh every day reapplying Soultanicals, that it enhances the slip of any products that I use, honestly. I think I have enough in my hair. I always overdo it, I think, and it's a small bottle, so I don't want to use it all up. How much have I used? I mean, is that too much? I think that's okay. I'll go in with a little more. Oh my god, I smell so good. I got this whiff off the entirety of my head, and it smells incredible. Oh my god, I love the scent. It didn't hit me from my hand, but now that I have it in my hair, I'm really excited because it feels, I don't feel any tingling, but I wonder, is it gonna make it tingle when I add my heat to it? It really feels incredible, like fresh. It feels really fresh. Wow. Plastic cap. Next up, my Hothead. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes, and the verdict is, I haven't washed it out yet. I like to see what it feels like fresh off of having used my Hothead and packed it into the hair, and it feels amazing. Very soft, very happy, very fresh. I love the scent. So now I'm gonna wash it off and see how that feels. I would say it's a total yes. The Heat Sage Love Ayurvedic hot oil treatment is a must. I'm really excited that I have it, actually, because I've gotten lazy about pre-pooing my hair, and I have been loving the oils from Soultanicals, and using them as hot oil treatments has been really nice, and it's actually stopped me from being lazy, and I'm pre-pooing more often than not. I'm dripping everywhere. The thing that I love the most about the after hot oil treating my hair effects of this hot oil treatment is the fresh feeling on the scalp. My scalp feels so fresh and like happy, as if it had a mint bath, if that makes sense. And I smell so good. I smell really herby and fresh and amazing. And that's it. What can I tell you? This has been my experience with it, and I'm going to continue using it. And I like using it as a pre-poo. If you've used this before and there's other ways that you use it, please let me know below. And that's it for today. Let's keep it short and sweet, and stay tuned for next week's video featuring yet another product from the Soultanicals Curl Box. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao for now.